Your car is missing 5 things right now. Not mods or flashy lights. Actual gadgets that save you money, time, or even your life. I found the best ones on Amazon for 2026. Here's what you need. The Vantrue E1 Lite is proof that a good dash cam doesn't have to cost $300. This little thing records in crisp 1440p. Not quite 4K, but clear enough to read license plates in daylight and at night. The Sony Starvis sensor handles low light surprisingly well. I drove through a tunnel and then pitch black streets and the footage was still usable. Loop recording means it automatically overwrites old files, so you never have to think about it. The supercapacitor is a big deal. Unlike battery-powered cams that die in heat, this one handles summer car temperatures without exploding. Installation took me 5 minutes. The suction cup mount is strong, and the cable is long enough to hide along your windshield trim. One honest complaint: no rear camera included. You can buy one separately, but that adds cost. Also, the app feels a little basic, but for under $100, you get reliable footage and the peace of mind. If someone hits you, you'll have proof. Full specs and the best deal are linked in the description below. The LISEN 69-watt USB-C car charger is tiny, but fierce. Most car chargers give you maybe 20 watts total, enough to keep your phone from dying but not actually charge it fast. This thing delivers 69 watts across 2 USB-C ports. I plugged in my iPhone 17 Pro and my iPad Pro at the same time, and both charge at full speed. The iSmart chip negotiates the right power for each device, so you're not overloading anything. The design is flush and low profile. It doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. The LED light is subtle enough to find at night, but not blinding. I used it on a 6-hour road trip, and my phone went from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes. One piece of honest feedback: it gets warm under heavy load, not dangerously hot, but noticeable. Also, it doesn't come with cables, so bring your own. But for the price, this is the best car charger I've seen in 2026. If you're tired of arriving with a dead phone, grab one. The link is waiting for you in the description. The Carpuride W901 Pro is for anyone with an older car that doesn't have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Instead of buying a new car, you buy this screen. It's a 7-inch touchscreen that mounts on your dashboard and gives you wireless CarPlay and Auto. I tested this in a 2016 Honda with a basic radio, and it transformed the whole driving experience. Maps, music, calls, messages, all on a big screen. The interface is snappy, and connection to my phone was automatic after the first pairing. It also supports backup camera input, so you can add that too. The built-in microphone worked fine for calls, and the FM transmitter sends audio to your car speakers. One downside: the screen is not OLED, so direct sunlight causes glare. You'll want to angle it carefully. Also, setup takes about 15 minutes of cable routing. But for under $200, this is a massive upgrade. Don't buy a new car for CarPlay, just get this. Full details and current pricing are in the description below. The NOCO Boost GB40 is one of those gadgets you hope you never need, but when you do, it's worth 10 times the price. This lithium jump starter fits in your glove box and can jumpstart a dead battery up to 20 times on a single charge. I tested it on a V6 engine that wouldn't even click, and it fired right up. No second car needed. No waiting for roadside assistance. The clamps are spark-proof and reverse polarity protected, so even if you mess up, you won't fry your electronics. It also doubles as a power bank for your phone and has a built-in LED flashlight with SOS mode. I left mine in the car through a freezing winter and a hot summer. The battery held up fine. Honest feedback: it won't jumpstart a fully dead diesel truck engine. For that, get the bigger GBX75. Also, you need to remember to recharge it every 6 months. But for most cars and SUVs, this is a lifesaver. Don't wait until you're stranded. Check the link in the description and grab one now. The Resqme is tiny, like smaller than a key, and it might save your life. This little orange tool has 2 functions: a spring-loaded center punch that shatters car windows, and a hidden blade that cuts through jammed seatbelts. I tested the window punch on an old junkyard car. One press against the corner of the glass and it exploded into safety glass. No swinging a heavy hammer, no kicking. Just press and pop. The seatbelt cutter is sharp and works even if you're upside down or disoriented. I clipped it to my sun visor, but you can keep it on your keychain. One piece of honest feedback: the spring mechanism takes some practice. Do not test it on your own car window. Also, it's single use on the punch. So if you ever need it, replace it after. But for $7, that's nothing for peace of mind. Car accidents are chaotic. Having this within reach could be the difference. Full details in the link or in the description below. Get one for every car in your family. That's 5 car gadgets that actually belong in your vehicle, from jump starters to window breakers. Which one are you buying first? Comment below. And don't forget to check the description for all the links. Subscribe for more honest reviews. For us, safe driving out there.